Every second you play a game, your screen redraws itself hundreds of times. That means millions of tiny calculations happening between one blink and the next, providing you with the visuals you need to continue playing. And one chip is responsible for all of this. It's called the GPU, the Graphics Processing Unit. A GPU's job sounds simple: turn numbers into pixels. But every frame you see is really a scene built from millions of triangles. Each triangle needs to be positioned, lit, textured, and shaded all before it reaches your eyes. A CPU could technically do this math, but it's built to handle a few complex tasks one after another. A GPU is built the opposite way. Thousands of small cores, each doing simple math at the same time. Think of a CPU as one genius solving one hard math problem at a time. A GPU is a stadium full of people, each solving one tiny piece of the same problem at once. That's why GPUs aren't just for gaming anymore. The same trick that renders explosions in a game also trains AI models and mines cryptocurrency. That's why you have been hearing the name nvidia, which is the company making these GPUs aside with AI recently. Not every GPU lives on its own separate piece of hardware. Some are built directly into the same chip as your CPU. These are called integrated GPUs. You can find them in budget laptops since they're cheap, power efficient, and good enough for browsing, video, and light gaming. A dedicated GPU, on the other hand, is a separate piece of hardware entirely, with its own memory, its own cooling, and its own power delivery. That dedicated memory is called VRAM, and it's built to feed the GPU data as fast as possible without waiting on the rest of the system. This is why a $2,000 gaming laptop can still outperform a $2,000 productivity laptop in games. One has a dedicated GPU, the other doesn't. Let's break the naming apart, since this is where most people get lost. NVIDIA uses the RTX name, followed by a number like 5070 or 5090. The first two digits are the generation. A 50 series card is newer than a 40 series card. The last two digits tell you the tier. A 90 is the flagship, a 50 is entry-level, and everything else sits in between. And AMD also follows a similar pattern with its Radeon RX cards. What PC or laptop are you using now, and how good is gaming with it? Let us know in the comments. If the video was useful, support us by giving it a like, and more videos like these are coming out, so make sure you follow.